Welcome back to Brock's Garage. And first off, all I can say about this episode is, oh my God, you guys won't believe this place. If you've ever had a man cave and thought it was the coolest, sorry dude, it ain't the coolest, because this guy's got it. Another thing about this place is it's right here in Lewis County. I think it's probably the best kept secret in Lewis County, and we're going to share it with you thanks to my buddy here, Kelly Hilliard. Yeah, Lewis County has it, and it's unbelievable. This place is just unbelievable. I don't even know where to start, Kelly. First off, appreciate you sharing this with us.
No problem.
It's actually Jester's Auto Museum and Event Center right outside of Napavine. You guys have to check this place out. It's totally unbelievable. We'll share a link to where it is and all that stuff. But Kelly, a little bit about who owns this place.
His name's Don Jester. He lives outside of Longview. He's an avid car collector, fisherman. He's just into a little bit of everything: boats, cars, hot rods, motorcycles, anything that rolls.
Does he want another kid, or I mean, because man, this place is everything I've ever dreamed of in a man cave kind of hot rod thing. If you're into cars at all, you're gonna love this place. If you even aren't into cars at all, you're gonna understand what we're talking about. So where do you even want to start? I guess we can start with one of the cars that you painted, or the car you painted, or
No problem. Yeah.
All right. You painted a few of these, right?
Yeah, painted a few in here.
Okay.
He's got a few of them from Barrett Jackson, just collecting them throughout the years.
You said one of them was Dave Can Dig It from Bitchin' Rides, built this car?
Yep.
We'll have to check that one out too. So, awesome place. You guys are going to get a super duper treat today, and I hope you guys are ready for the ride. You better put your seatbelts on, because it's coming. All right, let's go check them out, man.
Okay, sounds good.
So I guess, Kelly, we'll start with this one. I mean, this place is just so amazing. I mean, I don't even know what to say about it. It's just unbelievable. But this car is also awesome. So what do you know about this car?
Oh, it's a 35 Chevy Standard. Big block Chevy, manual tranny. I painted it for him, assembled it for him. A guy in Aberdeen did the interior in it.
What's the interior look like? Well, of course, it's perfect. You know, it's awesome, and we'll get some shots of that. But that is awesome. So, how long ago did you paint this car?
Boy, it's probably been 7-8 years ago.
Wow, it looks phenomenal, man.
Thanks.
Excellent job.
It was a fun project.
Oh, it was excellent. And this is a metal car or fiberglass? All metal?
It's all metal.
Wow,
the car was actually in really good shape. It's all the factory pieces to the car.
So what else could you possibly have that goes with this car?
A drag boat.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh man, you got to show us that.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Here it is.
Wow, it looks like Mama's pissed.
Yep.
That is so awesome.
Yeah.
So you painted this too, right?
Yep, painted to match the car.
Love I love the whole dang thing. I don't even know what to say. This thing's gorgeous. So what did you do with you said you did some stuff with the
we smoothed the trailer all out, flamed the fenders, flamed the boat. It's a 69 Sanger flat bottom V-drive. with a blown big block Chevy in it.
With looks like Demon carburetors on it.
Dave from Alumachrome in Centralia did all the polish and bright work on all this stuff.
That is unbelievably awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Have you ever been in the boat on the water?
Nope, it's only been in the water one time.
Wow. Who did the interior?
Holcomb Upholstery in Aberdeen.
Excellent.
He did the car too.
Wow. And there's a picture of this boat, or a drawing or something of this boat?
Yeah, I'll show it to you.
All right, let's do it.
Well, John, this is a photo that they had printed of it.
Wow, it's amazing. Who did this?
I'm not sure who did this. It's actual drawing.
It is amazing, man.
Yeah.
And it really depicts the whole setup awesomely, man. I love it.
Yeah, that's what it looks like hooked up.
That's great. So I've been walking around here with my mouth open mostly, so thank heavens that my back's to the camera right now, but every guy who has cars, I don't care how many you have, everybody who has cars has a favorite, and I understand that this one is your buddy's favorite car. Could you explain a little bit about this car?
Don drives this car a lot. He just always seems to want to drive this car before any of the other ones.
Well, what is this car? I mean, tell us a little bit about it.
64 Nova with a small block Chevy in it and a 4-speed.
It's an awesome car. I don't blame them. I mean, it's a cool car. Anybody would be happy and blessed to own it. So it's an awesome car.
Yeah, very cool car, very drivable. Just a good hot rod.
How long has he had it?
Oh boy, he's had it quite a while. I'd say he's probably had this car probably 10 years.
Wow, it's very cool.
Yeah.
And you put a tranny in it, you said?
Yeah, I put a tranny in it for him.
Yeah, very cool car.
Yeah.
Love it, man. Let's go check out some more cars, huh?
Okay, sounds good.
All right, man, awesome 57 Chevy pickup. I mean, unbelievable. But we're going to talk about this 55 Chevy, which is kind of special too. So what's the deal with this car?
Don's had it a long time. I don't know how many years, but he's had it a long time. It was an old drag car that they took the motor out of it and changed a bunch of things. It's got a blown big block Chevy in it, automatic, 9-inch tubbed. Brett Cole painted it.
Awesome job.
Yeah, it's a cool car.
It's super cool. And he's had this one a long time, you said, even before your friendship.
Yeah. He's probably had it, I'd say, I don't know, 25 years, maybe more.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, man.
Yeah, it's an awesome car.
So this Plymouth here, you did some work on this, didn't you, Kelly?
Yeah, we painted it for him at the shop. It was a really good bodied car. 69 Plymouth GTX, 440. Yeah,
wow.
It's a survivor.
Usually these are just rusted to the ground.
This thing's zero.
No kidding.
Yeah, it was an awesome body.
Wow.
So it didn't take much to do it.
That is awesome, man.
Yeah.
Now, is that a factory color?
Yep, factory color.
All right, man. We'll get some shots of the inside of this car because this is an unbelievable Plymouth, man. You just don't see them like that.
No, usually they're all rusted out.
Yeah, exactly. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And there's some other cars we're going to get to, so let's just get going. There's so much here. We could have a 5-hour show just in this place. I mean, this is crazy.
So you like Corvettes, huh, John?
I do, Kelly.
Really? We're standing, there's a 66 427 4-speed, the red one here. And Don's got a few others.
Yeah, this is just a beautiful car, man. Big block, 427, 4-speed, convertible vet. That's awesome. But there's so many vets here. Let's just keep going and look at it all,
Sounds good. Let's go.
Awesome. Well, for the Pontiac lovers, here's a 70 GTO 4-speed car. Freaking awesome. I mean, another dream car. Oh man, speaking of dream cars, 65 vet sitting over there I just noticed. Oh my God, are you kidding me? That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, can't beat a vet.
Shh, never, man. Wrap your ass in fiberglass forever, I say.
Yeah.
Man, Kelly, this black 57 Chevy Bel Air is unbelievably, man, awesome. And it's a fuel-injected car. That's super rare, dude. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, it's a clean car.
You just never see these like that. No. This is pristine, dude.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. 283, 3-speed car. This is the epitome of Bel Airs right here.
It is.
It's awesome, man.
Yeah.
I'm fortunate enough to stand next to it. It's great.
Me too.
It's awesome, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, if you think that 57 over there is nice for a stalker, this is more of a custom. It's got a 454 in it with a 5-speed.
Wow.
It's a 150, which you don't see many of, 150 series.
Beautiful,
custom
man.
Interior.
Love it.
It's low.
The dash is all cool. I mean, this whole car is cool. It's a 5-speed car?
Yeah, it's a 5-speed car.
Oh, jeez.
Yep.
Unbelievable, man.
Yeah, very nice.
So Kelly, like everything else in this place, this car is absolutely amazing. You did some work on this car too, right?
I just painted the roof on it for Don.
That's beautiful, man. It just accents that red awesomely. What is this?
It's a 34 Ford, two-door sedan. It's got a 383 small block in it. It's blown. This car was actually won the 1986 Riddler Award.
Wow.
Yeah.
It is absolutely stunningly amazing.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
We'll get some shots of the inside of this thing, which is outstanding. So another awesome example of a cool car in this place. Man, Kelly, I'm an orange guy. I love cars that are orange, and this car just rocks it hard, man.
Yeah, this car's, I don't know who painted this car, but it's a house of colors orange, tangerine orange.
Love it.
With the flames on it. It's
37 Ford, right?
Yep, 302 automatic with a tunnel ram on it. Dual fours. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the flames on this car I really like.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. Boyd Coddington wheels on it.
Louvered
airbag
hood.
suspension.
Unbelievably gorgeous.
I've driven this car. It drives very good.
Yeah. So, man, I'm a big fan of Condega Design and, of course, Bitchin' Rides. I'm a huge fan of that show and watch it all the time. Standing next to one of his cars that he built was just amazing. What do you know about this car?
Not much about this car. It's got a big block Chevy in it, 37 Chevy Coupe. It's got some custom interior in it.
Yeah, let's check that out, man.
Okay.
That's just amazing. That's just so awesome, man. I love the way he took the windshield split and went right through the roof. That's just awesome.
Yeah, and the shifter's pretty amazing in it.
It's unbelievable. We'll get some shots of him there, but that's just unbelievable car. Right next to it, though, is another kick-ass.
Yep. 57 Chevy pickup. Quicksilver.
What's the history of this truck?
Don bought it at Barrett Jackson. I've seen it. It's been in several magazines. It was in Good Guys. I can't remember what year it was, but it's a nice truck.
It's
very good lines on it.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
So, man, there's lots of vets in here, but this 66 is awesome, Kelly. This is just an amazing car.
Yeah, it's a 427 4-speed car too. This is actually one of Don's really good friends, Terry Soa, that works for him. He works in the shop out back. This is one of his cars.
Wow. Yeah. Unbelievable, man.
Yeah, it's a nice ride.
Oh, I'd say so. See, it's got disc brakes all the way around.
Yep. He just got the bumpers re-chromed on it. And yeah, it's a nice car.
Unbelievable car.
Yeah, super car.
So, Kelly, this boat is another example of just an awesome piece of machinery in this place, man. The paint on this is crazy.
Yeah, it's
crazy cool. And look at that motor, for crying out loud.
Yeah. This is a true drag boat.
Trying to hang on this thing has got to be crazy.
Yeah, impossible. Yeah, look at the seats in it. I always thought they were kind of cool, all the metal flake in it.
That's like old 70s, man, right there. That's just amazing. Can you imagine hanging onto the back of this boat?
No, not at all. No.
You got to be crazy.
Yeah, definitely.
So I'm a big fan of Barrett Jackson. Watch that auction pretty religiously, and they have some really awesome cars on there. And it's really cool to be able to see a car that you've seen on TV in person. And I'm lucky enough right now, thanks to you, to see this. So
cool. Let's
check out this car, man. I remember watching this car get sold.
Yeah, they just got this car this year. It's a 37 Ford. It's badass.
To say the least. This car is unreal, off the hook badass.
Yeah. It's another one of those cars with the flames on it that I always thought was cool, how they intertwined the colors and stuff on it.
Beautifully done. This car is, I mean, when I watched it on TV, I was drooling, and just stand next to it and look at it in real life.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it's definitely the masterpiece.
Yeah.
Did you see inside of it?
Yeah, the inside of it is just crazy off the hook, man. I can't imagine being behind the wheel of this thing.
Yeah, it runs on alcohol.
Well, we've all ran on alcohol a few times.
Yeah.
So I noticed the flag up there, Kelly, is a little different. What's the deal with that?
It's a late 1800s flag. Well, 45 star.
Yeah, I was going to say the stars are out of whack. But man, that's cool. That's a piece of history right there.
Yeah. It's missing a few stars.
It's awesome, man.
Yeah.
So look who showed up. Hi, I'm John Brockmueller.
John, Ralph Hubbard, how are you?
Man, your ears must have been burning. We were just talking about your car. Why don't you
Yeah.
tell us about it? Nobody better than Ralph to tell us about his car.
Yeah, it's an early 60s front engine dragster slingshot car, and had one of those just out of high school and never got it completed, and bought another one down the road here about 10, 15 years ago, and we found a good place to put it up there. And
Well, it's right out of the way. It's awesome, man.
So
Love it.
kind of neat nostalgia car.
So you've raced this car?
I didn't race this car, believe it or not. We got it all put together and everything, and I don't fit very well in that. So
You're a big guy.
Yeah,
so I can see why.
but I've got an alcohol nostalgia funny car that I'm driving now, so
right
I'm
on.
getting plenty of seat time in that. And
Right on.
but that makes a great nostalgia piece for the museum here.
Oh, yeah,
so.
we love the car, man. It's awesome.
yeah.
Beautiful. Thanks for bringing it here.
Yeah.
Just putting it up there, man.
You
It's
bet.
cool. So Kelly, I just want to say thanks for being our host today and showing us this amazing place with all these cool cars, man. I really appreciate it. Make sure you pass on to Don our gratitude for the same thing and sharing his collection with us and everybody on film. And this is just an outstandingly, amazingly place, man.
Yeah.
And make sure you let Don know that I'll be staying here, and he's going to have to call the cops ready to come get me out of here because this is my new home. I'm
Yeah,
just telling
I'll
you
tell
right
him.
now. So it's awesome.
Yeah. A lot of nice pieces.
Oh, unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. And I hope everybody out there appreciates it as much as we do, and I know they will because this place is great.
Yeah.
You know, unbelievable place. And I appreciate your time.
Yeah, no problem.
And,
Anytime.
It's been awesome, I gotta tell you. So there's also another part of this building that's used for events. What's that all about?
They have an event center out front, and you can rent it for weddings, funerals, birthdays. You can go online to Jester's Auto Museum and Event Center, and it gives you a whole listing of everything they do and a contact number to get a hold of somebody.
Man, if you're a car guy or car gal and love cars and want to do an event, this is
a
the
place. Yeah,
There's no
definitely.
other.
Yeah.
I mean, I got to say, it's awesome.
It's right off the freeway, easy access.
Just outside of
yeah,
Napa.
it's got tons of parking.
It's great
Yeah,
place.
Yes.
So thanks for taking us on this journey. I appreciate you, Kelly.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate you a lot. So hey, we'll catch you next time on Brock's Garage.